I thought the dessert like was really nice, but it was constructed. It tasted like tin fruit on a bit of toast bread. I'm so bad. Yeah. It's about the size of it.
I think I've got a winning night, but for me, it wasn't about her. It was nice to see people bond. I was actually disappointed in myself for my food.
Especially if guests were disappointed too. Okay.
Don't eat it.
That was the best toast. I had loads of fun. And
Don't eat it. Don't, it'll give you Pop, it's there, look. Hey, don't eat it, you silly boy.
Because it was a good laugh, you know, I mean, a really good giggle, I'll give
Who's got it?
6.